Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about the accessories made for the Sonim RS80 tablet. We have Bluetooth wireless and wired push-to-talk accessories, as well as a multi-USB charger. For starters, we have our Bluetooth push-to-talk accessories, starting with our Blue RSM, which is a Bluetooth remote speaker microphone with a push-to-talk button. We also have our Blue PTT Plus, which is a Bluetooth push-to-talk button. Next up, we have our wired push-to-talk earpieces. First is the Triumph with an inline push-to-talk button and microphone, as well as a quick disconnect audio tube. Next up, we have the Curl, which also has an inline push-to-talk button and microphone with a comfortable ear loop and a swivel speaker for left or right ear use. It can be easily cleaned for shift workers. Last but not least, we have our multi-unit USB desktop charger, which is rubber-coated for durability. For more information on all of these products and more, visit our website at kleinelectronics.com.